Follow me, because by the end of this video, you'll wonder how you spent all this time without knowing this important information. Plantar fasciitis sounds fancy, doesn't it? But if you've ever struggled to get out of bed because your heels scream in protest, you already know it's anything but glamorous. Now, let's imagine this scenario. You're taking that first step in the morning, expecting to conquer the day, and bam! A sharp pain shoots through your foot. Not fun, right? Stick around, because this is your one-stop guide to fixing plantar fasciitis fast, understanding what's really happening, and saying goodbye to that pain for good. First, let's decode this annoying condition. Plantar fasciitis is caused by inflammation of the plantar fascia, a thick band of tissue that runs from your heel to your toes. Think of it as the shock absorber of your foot, doing the dirty work every time you walk, run, or stand. Over time, if overworked or stressed, it becomes irritated. The result? Heel pain that makes even the simplest tasks feel like climbing a mountain barefoot. And the kicker? It's more common than you'd think. Statistics show that nearly 1 in 10 people experience plantar fasciitis at some point, particularly those over 50 or anyone spending long hours on their feet. So, why does this happen? It's often due to repetitive strain, poorly fitting shoes, sudden changes in activity levels, or even tight calf muscles. Think about how often we underestimate the importance of proper footwear. Wearing flat, unsupportive shoes is like trying to run a marathon on a trampoline. It's only a matter of time before your feet start protesting. Now, here's the good news. You can fix plantar fasciitis faster than you think if you understand the right steps. No pun intended. Let's start with stretching. A simple calf stretch can do wonders. Try this. Stand facing a wall, place your hands on it for support, and step one foot back, keeping the heel down. Hold for 20 seconds and switch. Doing this a few times a day helps release tension in the fascia and surrounding muscles. Don't underestimate the power of consistent stretching. It's like hitting the reset button for your foot. Second, consider investing in supportive insoles or orthotics. These are like giving your feet a soft pillow to land on, easing the strain on your plantar fascia. Studies have shown that orthotic use can reduce symptoms by up to 80% in just a few weeks. And let's talk about footwear. Ditch the flimsy flip-flops and opt for shoes with proper arch support and cushioning. Think of this as upgrading from a budget airline to first class for your feet. Trust me, they'll thank you. You might be wondering about home remedies. Icing is a go-to for reducing inflammation. Try rolling a frozen water bottle under your foot for about 10 minutes. It's oddly satisfying and incredibly effective. But what if your pain persists? This is where physical therapy or even shockwave therapy comes into play. Both methods focus on healing the damaged tissue, speeding up recovery while reducing pain. For those skeptical about long-term solutions, here's the thing. Treating plantar fasciitis isn't just about alleviating the pain. It's about addressing the root cause. Strengthen your foot muscles with toe curls or resistance band exercises to prevent recurrence. It's like giving your feet a protective armor against future flare-ups. And let's not ignore lifestyle changes. Maintaining a healthy weight can significantly reduce the strain on your feet. Every pound of extra body weight adds about 4 pounds of pressure to your feet during walking. If that's not a reason to keep your feet happy, I don't know what is. Now, for a quick dose of humor, Isn't it ironic that the very thing designed to help us stand tall and proud our feet can be the source of such frustration? Maybe they're just reminding us to slow down every now and then. Watch the video until the end, because by the time it's over, you'll wonder how you've spent all this time without knowing these important tips. Ice your foot. Applying ice to the bottom of your foot can help reduce inflammation and alleviate pain. Wrap some ice cubes in a towel or use a frozen water bottle and gently roll it under your foot for 15-20 minutes a few times a day, especially after walking or standing for long periods. Stretch your calf muscles. Tight calf muscles can put extra stress on the plantar fascia, leading to more pain. Stretching your calves can help relieve tension and improve flexibility. Try standing with your hands on a wall, one foot forward and the other extended behind you. Keep your back leg straight and press your heel toward the floor to stretch the calf. Hold for 30 seconds and repeat a few times. Stretch your plantar fascia. A simple stretch for the plantar fascia can help alleviate tension and improve its flexibility. Sit down and cross your affected leg over your knee. Grab the toes of your foot and gently pull them back toward your shin until you feel a stretch along the bottom of your foot. Hold for 30 seconds and repeat 2-3 times a day. Use supportive shoes. Wearing shoes with proper arch support can help reduce the strain on your plantar fascia. Avoid wearing flat shoes or high heels that don't offer enough support. Instead, opt for shoes with a cushioned sole and adequate arch support to keep your foot aligned properly and distribute pressure evenly. Invest in orthotic insoles. If your shoes don't offer the right support, consider purchasing custom or over-the-counter orthotic insoles. These insoles can help provide better arch support, cushioning, and alignment, which can reduce pressure on the plantar fascia and relieve pain. Perform foot exercises. Strengthening the muscles in your feet can help improve their overall function and reduce the likelihood of developing plantar fasciitis in the future. Try exercises like towel curls, using your toes to grab a towel and pull it toward you, marble pickups, picking up marbles with your toes, or toe stretches, bending and straightening your toes. Take anti-inflammatory medications. Non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs, like ibuprofen or naproxen, can help reduce pain and inflammation associated with plantar fasciitis. However, these should only be used as a short-term solution and in consultation with your healthcare provider. Try night splints. Night splints are designed to keep your foot in a dorsiflex position while you sleep, which helps stretch the plantar fascia and the Achilles tendon. Using night splints regularly can reduce morning pain and stiffness and promote healing overnight. Massage your foot. Massaging your foot can help alleviate tension in the plantar fascia and improve circulation. Use your hands or a massage ball to gently massage the bottom of your foot, focusing on the arch and heel areas. Try rolling a golf ball or tennis ball under your foot for a self-massage that targets pressure points. Consider physical therapy. A physical therapist can teach you specific exercises and stretches that can help reduce pain, improve flexibility, and strengthen the muscles in your feet and legs. Physical therapy can be especially helpful if your condition persists, despite self-care efforts. Use a rolling pin. Another way to stretch and massage your plantar fascia is by using a rolling pin. Roll it under your foot while seated, applying gentle pressure. This technique can help break up scar tissue, increase blood flow, and reduce tightness. Avoid hard surfaces. Walking or standing on hard surfaces like concrete or tile can worsen the pain of plantar fasciitis. If possible, Try to walk on softer surfaces like carpet or grass to reduce impact. You can also use cushioning mats when standing for long periods to provide extra comfort. Maintain a healthy weight. Excess weight puts additional strain on your feet, which can contribute to the development or worsening of plantar fasciitis. Maintaining a healthy weight can reduce pressure on your feet and support overall foot health. Try kinesiology tape. Kinesiology tape is an elastic therapeutic tape that can provide support and reduce pain associated with plantar fasciitis. It works by lifting the skin and providing gentle support to the muscles and fascia beneath. If you're unsure how to apply the tape, consult with a healthcare professional for guidance. Use corticosteroid injections if your plantar fasciitis is severe and doesn't respond to other treatments. Your doctor may recommend a corticosteroid injection to reduce inflammation and provide pain relief. While effective, these injections should be used sparingly and only when other options have been exhausted.